It's officially 2026, and we're starting off the year stronger than ever with a brand new car delivery. This is the all-new Tesla Model Y Performance. Let's check it out. The Tesla Model Y Performance is already one of the best all-around daily drivers that money can buy. Now today we're going to be expanding upon that by installing a plethora of unplugged performance parts on this car to take it to that next level. And by the end of this video, this will be the world's first fully modified Tesla Model Y Performance, making it the ultimate daily driver. Now before we get into that, let's go ahead and check out what's new. Now starting off with the front end of the vehicle, this is a redesigned front end, making it more aggressive than the prior version. Now we do have a Aero kit already made for the Model Y Performance, and we're going to be installing it on this car, which you will see later in this video. Another thing that's unique to the Model Y Performance is this all black mirror cap. I think it looks quite aggressive. Let me know what you think in the comments. Now another big change on the new Tesla Model Y Performance is these brand new 21-inch Arachnid wheels. I think they look great. However, I do think we can make it look better. Moving on to the rear of the vehicle, Tesla did add a performance spoiler to the trunk of the new Tesla Model Y Performance with a similar cutaway design to recent refreshes. And Tesla did also refresh the rear bumper of the vehicle as well by giving it a little bit of a more aggressive redesign as well as a much more aggressive rear diffuser. And last but not least, everyone's favorite flex. It is raining like crazy right now, so we're gonna go ahead and get this Model Y Performance in the shop and go ahead and get that modification list started. Let's get to it. Now this is going to be a two-part install. First, we're going to install a set of UP moderate lowering springs on this vehicle, as well as a set of front and rear spacers, which will not only lower the center of gravity on the vehicle, but it will also increase the overall track width, which will improve the overall dynamics of the vehicle. Plus, it looks damn good. 30.5 inches at the top of that fender arch. And in the rear, it looks like we're sitting at right about 30.25. We have successfully installed a set of UP lowering springs as well as UP spacers on this brand new Tesla Model Y Performance, and I think the fitment's absolutely perfect. Let us know what you think in the comments below. It looks like the moderate springs are yielding 29 inches ground to fender, and the rear is sitting at right about 29.75. And now we're ready to move on to the next phase of this video, which is going to include installing our all-new high-efficiency Aero kit specifically designed for the Tesla Model Y Performance, as well as a set of 19-inch UP forged Road Warriors. But before we get to that, let's go ahead and take a look at those Aero parts we're installing today. The first item in our kit is going to be our Aero canard, and this is going to be a factory replacement component. So what that means is we are going to have to remove this trim piece by removing the factory bumper in order to install this on the vehicle. Now the second item on that list is going to be our front splitter. This is also a factory replacement component, so while we have this bumper off for those front canards, we are also going to be removing this factory trim component to replace it with this UP splitter. Next on that list is going to be the rear diffuser extension, which is also an OEM replacement component. Now for this, you do not need to remove the rear bumper, you essentially just need to remove the cover for the tow area here. And the last Aero component we're going to be installing on this car today is going to be our high efficiency rear fins. All of the Aero components I mentioned in this video are CFD tested to improve the efficiency of your 26 Model Y Performance. And if you're curious to learn more about a real world efficiency range test, go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned for more. Now let's go ahead and get these components installed on this car. All right guys, here it is. We've just installed our brand new Aero kit for the Model Y Performance, as well as our 19-inch UP forged Road Warriors, which I think look absolutely phenomenal. Let us know what you think in the comments below, as well as what wheels and tires you want to see on this car. Now, keep in mind, this is our first 2026 Model Y Performance, and it's just the beginning. There's a plethora of things we want to throw at this, from sway bars to coilovers, and heck, we might even race this thing. So stay tuned for more. And if you have a Tesla and are interested in modifying it, check us out at unpluggedperformance.com. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one.